Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to CC and BCC in Outlook. This is essential when you need to keep people in the loop on your emails or send copies to recipients without others knowing. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date information and all features are ready to go. Once everything has loaded, you'll need to access your email composition tools. Look toward the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can draft your message and add recipients. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you open the composition screen, you'll notice that the CC field is already visible by default. CC stands for carbon copy, and it allows you to send a copy of your email to additional recipients while everyone can see who else received it. To use this feature, simply click into the CC field and type in the email address of anyone you want to copy on the message. You can add multiple email addresses here, separating them with semicolons or commas. But what if you want to send a copy to someone without the other recipients knowing? That's where BCC comes in. BCC stands for blind carbon copy, and it keeps those recipients hidden from everyone else. To enable this field, look at the top part of your composition window and click on Options. This will reveal additional email settings and features that aren't shown by default. From the Options menu, you'll see the BCC button right away. Click on it to add and enable the BCC field in your email recipients area. Once you've clicked it, the BCC field will appear below your CC field. Just like with CC, you can simply enter an email address or multiple recipients into this field. The key difference is that anyone you add to BCC will receive the email, but their addresses won't be visible to anyone else on the recipient list. And there you have it. You now know how to use both CC and BCC in Outlook, giving you full control over who receives your emails and who can see the other recipients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.